a big downhill.
You really know what you want to do.
Exactly, 100% no.
Dennis, grande cojones.
Grande cojones.
I wish you all the best.
Thank you very much.